Okay, so last class we have discussed regarding phasor concept. Okay, so what is phasor and how we have converted a complex forcing function into an equivalent phasor. Right. So phasor is basically a simplified form of complex number representation which will have an amplitude or a magnitude with a phase angle. Okay. So using this phasor, we have seen the voltage current relationship for resistor as well as for inductor also we have observed. For resistor, it is similar to Ohm's law. V is equals to R into I. But in the case of an inductor, we have seen that the phasor voltage current relationship for an inductor is V is equals to J into omega into L into I. Right. So V is the voltage across the inductor and I is the current flowing through the inductor in phasor form. Okay. We have also seen this example how to solve this. Okay. So here it was asked to find out the current when the voltage and omega and inductance are given. Okay. So I is equals to V by J omega L we have done. And if you simplify, you have got the current phasor 0.02 at an angle of minus 140 degrees. So this you can convert back to time domain function. Okay. Always a phasor can be converted to time domain and a time domain function can be converted to an equivalent. Please switch off your mics. Okay. Please switch off your mics.
पानी
Okay. Right. So voltage or current phasor can be converted into equivalent time domain function and a time domain function can be converted back into an equivalent phasor form. Okay. So now we will see voltage current relationship for a capacitor. Okay. So if you see the capacitor in time domain, the relation is given as I is equals to C into dV by dt. Okay. So same thing you have to apply here. If you have a complex voltage, right, and you are having a complex current, I am e power j into omega t plus phi. Okay. So if you substitute this voltage and current in the above expression, I of t is equals to C into dV by dt, you will get some relationship between the voltage and current phasors across the capacitor. Okay, so try to solve that and get the expression for voltage current relationship for capacitor. You are trying to do right.
yes sir
Okay, simply substitute this voltage, complex voltage and complex current in the above expression and try to find out what is the relation between voltage and current phasors of capacitor. Did anyone get it?
So I is equal to C Vm omega j e to power j omega t plus theta.
I is equals to
C Vm omega j e to power j omega t plus theta. That is
okay,
voltage by 90 degree.
okay. Let's see that. What is the process? Okay. So this is what the expression says. I of t is equals to c into dv by dt. So if you substitute that and do the derivation for v of t, you will get c will be there and j omega will be coming in the picture. So j omega c into vm e power j omega t plus theta on the right hand side, and I is the what you have assumed, im e power j omega t plus phi. Okay, so if you eliminate e power j omega t on both sides, you get im at an angle of phi is equals to j into omega into c into vm at an angle of theta. Okay, so vm at an angle of theta is the voltage phasor. Okay, and im at an angle of phi is the current phasor. Okay, right. So if you do that, I is equals to j into omega c into v. So that's what you are going to get the relation, or v is equals to I by j omega c. Okay. So what is the conclusion we can draw from this expression? If you see in the case of an inductor, okay, v is equals to j into omega l into I. That means voltage is going to lead your current phasor by 90 degrees if it's a pure inductor. In the case of a capacitor, from this expression, you can observe that I is equals to j omega c into V, which means your current phasor is going to lead your voltage phasor by 90 degrees. Okay, is it clear? You can understand that from this equation, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So voltage phasor already has some angle, that is theta. Okay, but j omega c is a complex number. It has a phase angle of 90 degrees. If you multiply these two, some constant you will get, which is vm into omega into c, but angle will be theta plus 90 degrees. Okay, so which means your current phasor is going to lead your voltage phasor by 90 degrees. Okay, what it indirectly means? It means that when you are doing steady state response, we find that the current maximum is caused by an increasing voltage that occurs 90 degrees earlier than the maximum voltage. That means maximum voltage occurring at some instant of time 90 degrees earlier itself, your current maximum will occur. Okay, that's what we can conclude from this expression. Okay, so what is the final thing? The time domain differential equation has become the algebraic equation in frequency domain. Right, frequency domain, why you are calling means you have omega is basically frequency. Right, so this is called as frequency domain expression. Okay, right, so you can see that using phasors we are getting an algebraic relationship between voltage and current for all the passive elements, that is resistor, inductor and capacitor. Okay, so if you see the circuit, it will be of this format. The above one is called as the time domain circuit, and the equivalent phasor domain circuit will be this one. V is equals to this, and I phasor is equals to j into omega into c into V. Okay, so just for your conclusion, I have given this. Okay, so in time domain, if you have a current, this is passive sign convention. Okay, and current is entering to the positive terminal, positive polarity of the voltage across the element. For resistor, V is equals to R into I. For inductor, it is V is equals to L into di by dt. For capacitor, V is equals to 1 by C integral of I of t with respect to dt. Okay, so the equivalent phasor circuit or the equivalent phasor notation for this time domain will be this thing. Okay, same thing what we have already seen, same thing I have written back here. So V is equals to R into I, and this is the phasor voltage and phasor current across the resistor. V is equals to J into omega into L into I. So this is how you have to represent in phasor domain. So this J omega L is called as inductive reactance. Okay. So this omega L, we'll call it as inductive reactance. Okay. So in time domain you will have inductor L, okay, in henries, but here you will have omega L, which is inductive reactance, and unit is ohms. Okay. Similarly, for capacitor, V is equals to I by J omega C. Okay. Remember that this is similar to V is equals to I into Z. Impedance we will see later. Okay. So V is equals to I by J omega C, and the equivalent circuit will be of this format for a capacitor. Okay. Right. So all phasor equations are algebraic and each is also linear, and the equations relating to inductor and capacitor are similar to Ohm's law. So we can use them as we use in Ohm's law. Okay. So similar to Ohm's law condition, we can use these expressions in phasor domain when you are analyzing your circuit. Okay. Right. So we have already seen Kirchhoff's laws in DC circuits. Okay. So same thing is applicable for AC circuits also. Okay. So this is Kirchhoff's voltage law we have already seen in time domain. So what will be that? If you are flowing through one particular loop, the sum of all the voltages around that loop should be equals to 0. Okay. So that's what is written here. Since it's a time domain function, you are writing it as v1 of t plus v2 of t, so on up to vn of t is equals to 0. Okay. So now we are actually converting this. Usually all the voltages we are actually converting into a complex function, and then we are converting into a phasor format. Okay. So if you do that, right, so the voltages vi of t is converted into complex voltage, and if you are removing e power j omega t, you are calling it as a phasor. So the phasor voltage KVL loop is equals to 0. That means V1 plus V2 plus V3 so on up to Vn. These all are phasors. Okay. So phasor addition of all the voltages around one closed loop is equals to 0. Okay. So Kirchhoff's laws is applicable for AC circuits also. Okay. Even Kirchhoff's current law is also applicable for phasors. Okay. So let's see one small example. In the circuit shown below, omega is equals to 12,000 radians per second, and the current flowing through the capacitor they have given 1.2 at an angle of 28 degrees, and IL they have given 3 at an angle of 53 amperes. Find IS and VS. Okay, so they are asking us to find out what is the value of this current source IS and what is the value of this voltage source Vs. Okay, in phasor form. So please try to do that. We can just try. Let's see what will be the solution later. Okay, so that means Kirchhoff's voltage law and Kirchhoff's current law are applicable for phasors also. So try to do this. Omega they have given, IC they have given, IL they have given. Remember that when you are using phasors, if there is an inductance, you have to convert into inductive reactance. If there is a capacitance, you have to convert into capacitive reactance. Okay.
Sir, VC is equal to 1 minus 62 degree.
VC, voltage across the capacitor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much?
1 magnitude is 1 and the phasor angle is minus 62 degree.
Minus 62. Okay. Let's see that. But how you have done that? Did you convert this into equivalent capacitive reactance or not? This 25 microfarad.
Yes, sir.
You have
Sir,
you have converted or not?
yes, sir. That IC. So that IC is equal to JVC into VC, sir.
Okay.
Is sir, then omega and C I put it the value, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Then IC given, sir.
Okay. So IC is equals to J omega C into V. So C is given. Omega, you know, 12,000 radians per second. Okay. So IC is already given. So you have found out voltage across the capacitor. Okay. Okay. So you have got some value. So next, what you have to do? They are asking us to find out IS, na? So you have to find out this current also. Current flowing through this 20 ohms resistor also you have to find. Then you can add this current and this capacitor current IC to get IS. Got it. So since you know VC, try to find out I 20 ohms value and then add up those two to get IS. Everyone able to calculate the voltage across the capacitor or not?
Yes, sir.
Voltage across the capacitor, did everyone get or not? You are able to do, right? Finding voltage across the capacitor.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so anyway, let's see that. But it's very simple. We have already seen the relationship between the voltage and current across a capacitor. Okay, V is equals to J omega, I is equals to J omega C into V. Okay, so I is already given here, IC. J into omega into C into V you have to do. So you can find out the value of voltage across the capacitor VC in phasor form. Okay, once you know that, since it's a parallel circuit, the same voltage will appear across this 20 ohms resistor also. So that voltage divided by 20 ohms, that will give you the current flowing through this 20 ohms resistor, I 20 ohms. If you add up those two, you will get IS. It's phasor addition. Everything is a complex number. Okay, we should use complex addition and complex multiplication. Okay. So to find IS, first step is calculate VC. So I is equals to J omega C into V, or VC is equals to IC by J omega into C. Okay. So I have given 12,000 or 1200 I have written here.
Yes, ma'am.
12,000, sir, and the answer is 4.
Okay, so please consider it as 1200. Okay, right. So please use it as 1200 maybe, because I have used that thing. So please change in the question to 1200. Okay, so you will get something like this one. So it's IC is equals to 1.2 at an angle of 28. So omega is 1200 into 25 into 10 power minus 6. This is the capacitance value that was given. Okay, right. So if you do this, you are going to get 40 at an angle of minus 62 degrees. Did anyone get this answer or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
By 12,000. 4.
Okay, please change it from 12,000 to 1200. Okay, because Anyway, there is only the procedure we have to know, but since I have used 1200, so better to change so that my answer and your answer will be same. Right, so you have got voltage across the capacitor. So this 20 ohms resistor is actually in parallel with your capacitor. So the voltage across this 20 ohm resistor is same. That means 40 at an angle of minus 60. So simply divide that with 20 ohms. So you are going to get 2 at an angle of minus 62. Okay. So if you observe from these two expressions, what is the phase angle difference between the voltage and current in this 20 ohms resistor? Phase angle difference between voltage and current across 20 ohms resistor. Zero. Okay. So that is 0 degrees.
Resistor.
Yeah. So for resistor, we should get 0 and we are getting 0 only. Okay. So that is one thing you can understand from this. And next, you have to calculate the source current IS. So how to do that? Phasor addition of
I20, sir.
yeah, I20 plus IC. So if you do that, try to solve this. Try to solve that. You have to convert this polar form into an equivalent rectangular form. Okay. So 2 into cos of minus 62 plus 2 into j into sine of minus 62. Please switch off your mics. Okay. So if you do this, you are going to get this kind of expression, and your source current is 2.33 at an angle of minus 31 degrees. Okay. So your source current is this much.
मैम लाइव एक्टिविटी में किसी भी बुक का पेज एक फोटो खींच के शेयर कर देंगे या इसी में से दोगे आप हंस हंस ग्रह ग्रह
Okay, so source current is 2.33 at an angle of minus 31 degrees you are going to get. After that, how to proceed? You have to find out the voltage, source voltage they are asking. Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so try to find out the source voltage also. Did you get IS is equals to this value or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 2.33 at an angle of minus 31. So now try to find out the source voltage Vs. How to do that?
First, we need to find the current to inductor, sir.
Okay, so this is your
Find IR by adding IL and IS, sir.
okay. You have the circuit. You are able to see the circuit or not? You have drawn your circuit on your notes or not?
Yes,
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
we have drawn, sir.
Okay, okay. So if that is the case, you can see here. So this IS you know. So you have to find out this IL. Okay. So they are asking us to find out the source voltage. Okay. So if you know this current. Okay. So now how to proceed? What information is given? IL is already given to you. So IL is given. So simply you can find out the voltage across these two terminals. Okay. Right. So you will get the voltage across the inductor. Okay. When you add up these two currents, you will get IR also. Okay. So once you know IR, you can find out the voltage across the 10 ohms resistor. So when you know voltage across the resistor and voltage across this inductor, you can apply KVL to find out the source voltage. Okay, so voltage across the inductor will be J into omega into L into I. So I is there. Okay, J into omega into L you can find out. So you will get voltage across the inductor. So let's see that. Okay, so first they have found out IR, because since IL is given and IS you know. So what is that? IR is 3.99 at an angle of 17.42. Okay, you are trying to solve this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so try to calculate IR value. So whether it's matching with this or not, we'll see. Did anyone get this IR?
1 minute, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you got this IR value.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, 3.99 at an angle of 17.42 degrees. Okay, so if you want to convert into equivalent time domain, so that expression is given there. Okay, so 3.99 cos of 1200 t plus 17.42 degrees. Okay, so now you know the IR current. Okay, since IR is flowing through the resistor and you have to find out the voltage across the inductor, you know the current, you know omega into L. Okay, so you can find out the voltage across the inductor you can find, and voltage across the resistor also you can find. So that is nothing but this one, V is equals to R into I plus J into omega into L into I. So if you do this, you can find out the voltage across the source. That means the source voltage you can straight away find it out. Okay, so try to do this also. Okay, did anyone solve it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you got this answer or not? You got Vs is equals to 34.87 at an angle of 74.5 degrees or not?
Yes, sir. I got, sir.
Okay,
Very
so
Sir,
any doubt?
so the value of omega is, sir, 12,000, sir, 1,000, no, sir.
Okay, so it's my mistake. I have given 12,000 there. Actually, I have used 1200. It's supposed to be 1200. It's my printing mistake. So I have written wrong in the question. Okay, so it is 1200. But anyway, so it's the methodology that is important. Okay, so whether you use 1200 or 12,000, how to proceed, how to solve the problem, that is important. So maybe if your answer is not matching, but your methodology should be somewhat similar to this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So okay, so try to like understand what is the how to proceed for the solution. That's all. Okay, right. Okay, so this is how you have to solve some problems related to this. So using phasors, we can actually straight away get a pretty solution in a easy format compared to time domain function. Okay, so that's the advantage with phasors using in the circuit. And if you want the equivalent time domain function, simply you can convert that phasor into a time domain function as I have shown here. Okay, right. So next we will introduce one more term called as impedance. You might have already studied this. Okay, quickly we'll go through that. Okay, so the ratio of phasor voltage to phasor current is defined as impedance. Okay, so it is basically the ratio of phasor voltage to phasor current is defined as impedance, and it is represented with letter Z, capital Z. Okay, so the voltage current ratio in phasor form is given as for the three elements. For resistor, V by I is equals to R. For inductor, V by I is equals to J into omega into L. V by I is equals to 1 by J omega C. This is the relationship between voltage and current, and this J omega L is called as inductive reactance. Okay, so sometimes they will call it as XL. XL also they will use. XL means nothing but inductive reactance. If you expand that XL, that is called as J into omega into L. Okay, so what is XC? XC equals to, can anyone say what is the value of XC? XC per capacitor?
By omega c.
by J omega C.
Yeah, 1 by J omega C. So XL is J omega L and XC is 1 by J omega C. Okay, so try to remember that. Okay, so one will have, if you find the phase angle or if you find this J omega L in terms of polar form, omega L at an angle of 90 degrees will be that plus 90. If you see this one, its value will be 1 by omega C at an angle of minus 90. Okay, so one will have plus 90 degree, another one will have minus 90. Okay, so whatever it may be, so impedance is denoted by letter Z. Okay, so it can have a real part as well as imaginary part. Impedance Z can be R plus J omega L. Okay, or
Sir, I can't hear you.
Sir,
You are not
excuse me.
audible, sir.
I think sir had a power breakdown.
Yes. I can see it in my PC. I think no one is able to hear.
Video recording is still on. Lokendra.
Lokendra is hosted this time.
Yes. ये लिमिट करना
यार हाउ कैसे बन जाते हैं लोग ऐसे?
जो सबसे पहले आ जाता है शायद वो बन जाता है।
पर अभिनव की बात सही हो गई।
हाँ
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही। अभिजीत
अरे
को
सब
बना दो सर।
अच्छा तुम लोगों ने वो भर दिया था ना?
सीनियर वाला।
हाँ मैंने भर दिया।
उसके बारे में ज्यादा बात मत करो, बस हाँ ना।
हाँ
ओके।
गुड। अभी क्लास का स्ट्रेंथ कितना है?
पार्टिसिपेंट जितना है पता उसको पता हो शायद। इधर ऑन कर सकते हैं। लोकेशन को पता होगा।
हम्म,
61।
61। हाँ 61।
कहाँ से और
क्या? कोई बोल रहा था शायद। मैं बिहार।
I'm also from Bihar.
हाँ शुभम, आई नो। रोहित ऑल्सो, यस।
और वो अभिजीत भाई।
अच्छा ये सृजन द्विवेदी कहाँ से है?
Anyone from Dhaka?
IIT से
अच्छा अच्छा, एक बात बताओ मुझे, अगर सर का डिस्कनेक्ट हो चुका है तो कैसे हमारा रिकॉर्ड हो सकता है अब? जैसे ही वो
रिकॉर्डिंग
कनेक्ट
भाई अभी
करेंगे
ऑन है,
कैंसिल हो जाएगा।
रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो
I
रहा है
think it
कुछ।
should be recorded to Lokendra.
हाँ
हम्म, अच्छा हाँ
रिकॉर्ड हो गया था।
साई
Did
किरण
sir send you any mail? Yes. Did sir send you any mail?
यस यस 4:15
Not 4:15. Did he send her?
नो नो
Okay.
साई आर यू फ्रॉम आंध्रा ओनली
Yeah, I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
सो यू स्पीक तेलुगु
Yeah, I know Telugu. I'm from Visakhapatnam.
ग्रेट
What is the condition of Visakhapatnam at now? It
Actually, morning we wrote exam, na?
यस
Here was a power breakdown.
oh
That's why even our math sir and now FES sir would have lost their connections. Today here there was a lot of power breakdowns. Even in the morning chemistry test, there were 2 power breakdowns and Wi-Fi stopped at the middle.
यार हम लोग को चलना चाहिए यार, ठीक है। सर नहीं तो आएंगे नहीं ऐसा।
साई
Yeah, there.
साई मेरू फार्म निंपारा
What? I didn't understand that.
the form
Which form?
one second are you in our group or not
Which group?
WhatsApp of course
No, I'm not there in any group.
okay wait a second I cannot even send you a message
You can send me in mail.
okay so I will send you
Okay.
and anyone if you are present in our group please fill it by tonight हिंदी में 11 बजते बजते सब फॉर्म भर दें
हाँ तुम भेज देना भाई।
हाँ डाला हुआ है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन चेक कर
कर
सकते
देना।
हो
वो आईपी वाले में जो है उसमें दे दिया है।
मेल पे जो है वो तो
जो
हाँ
ग्रुप
तो मुझे मिला
हो
नहीं।
गया भाई वो।
ग्रुप का डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी डाल रखा है
हाँ डिस्क्रिप्शन वो लगभग जो ग्रुप में होगा वो तो कर ही दिया होगा, जो अभी ग्रुप में नहीं है उसको ऐड करना जरूरी है।
हाँ तो एक सेकेंड
मुझे लगता है कभी मीट करना है तो वेबएक्स बहुत बढ़िया है गूगल क्लासरूम को छोड़ करके।
हाँ बहुत बढ़िया
हाँ
कल से तो बोला ही था मैं उसको, लेकिन वो गूगल से ही कर दिया।
लेट मी
वो
चेक यार।
आज बहुत सारे लोग प्रेजेंट है ना,
हाँ
जब
आज
24 शायद
मेरे को नहीं
19
आया।
आज किसी ने बोला था कि काश ऐसा हो फिर से बात का मौका मिले
हाँ अभिनव ने बोला था, मैंने वही
हाँ
बोला कि
अभिनव
अभिनव की बात सही हो गई। अभिनव में शायद धीरज था।
हम बोले थे अभी तो
The guys who are there who can't understand what a guy is saying, I think many are there. That's why they aren't saying.
Abhijit, are you talking about math?
No, I am talking about the guys who don't know Hindi.
Actually, I can understand Hindi, but I can't speak Hindi.
Okay, you can understand but can't speak in Hindi.
That's equally.
I can speak, but I don't know complete.
Okay, it's fine, no problem.
He doesn't understand Hindi. Is he in the meeting or not?
Lokendra is host this time, okay?
If I end then
ऊपर आना था ना।
अरे भाई
हेलो
मैं वो एंड कर दूंगा तो सभी का हो जाएगा।
अरे रुक जाओ ना। हाँ हेलो। हाँ ये
हेलो
लिंक
हेलो
तो भेजना था, वो उस पर भेजना था ना मेल पर।
अच्छा ये 2020 वाला जो है वो अगर किसी के पास हो तो फॉरवर्ड कर देना।
हाँ यार, आईआईपी का वो जो ग्रुप का मेल है, मतलब ग्रुप ज्वाइन
2024
करने का,
ऑनलाइन।
वो उसको भी डाल करके रखो कोई सही जगह पर। कभी इनवाइट करना रहता है किसी का तो नहीं हो पाता है।
तो हर मेल में
वरना एक पूरा क्लास उसमें कोई ग्रुप का डिस्क्रिप्शन अटैच करके वो मेल कर सकते।
हाँ
ठीक है।
सबके स्टेट में कोरोना वायरस की कैसी चल रही कंडीशन?
बहुत है।
In Vizag, it is a bit low.
What are you saying, bro?
Yeah. Did you ask about COVID conditions?
Yes, I am asking about what are the COVID conditions
I'm saying
in the
that
present
in
state?
Visakhapatnam,
Yes, in Visakhapatnam.
it is very low. Do you know
Low?
Visakhapatnam is also called as Vizag?
Yes, yes.
That's what I said.
That's great. Then we can join.
Yes, we will join.
If conditions are not that critical, we can obviously join there.
Sai, did you receive any message from me?
No. Okay. Once I need to check.
Google Classroom. Check in Google Classroom. और तूने गूगल तू मत खोलो।
When are sir coming, yaar?
Chill, bro, chill.
I think.
మల్లేష్
he
వికెట్
was-
పడిందమ్మా, నాతో లైన్ అవుట్.
Who's saying that?
Vishnu.
మల్లేష్
చెప్పనా విష్ణు?
వికెట్ పడింది, నాతో లైన్ అవుట్. వస్తున్నావా పిల్లడివి?
చూస్తున్నా.
Say in English, bro. We also want to understand.
అది అర్థమైతే పోతావురా నువ్వు.
language we are talking.
అర్థమైతే పోతారని చెప్పాడికి.
He is saying that you will like if you really understand Telugu.
That you will?
తెలుగు కూడా ఉన్నారా?
I'm not saying this. Someone else is saying. I'm just translating.
Okay. You are translating, interpreting.
విష్ణు బ్రో ఎక్కడి
Is it Telugu language?
నుంచి?
Yes. No, I sense that. It is Telugu.
अभिजीत,
Yes.
तुमने फॉर्म भरा था उसका? नहीं
Bro, I had filled that the very moment she sent it to the group. नहीं आते आज सर, नहीं आते आज सर। कौन ने बोला भाई? शाश्वत है अमन?
हाँ मैं बोला शाश्वत। कहाँ था भाई?
शाश्वत,
मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि मेरे पास अभी तक सिर्फ 23 रिस्पॉन्सेज आए गूगल फॉर्म पे, तो सबको बोल दे कि प्लीज सब लोग गूगल फॉर्म भर दो आज रात 10 बजे से पहले।
तो तूने बोल तो दी।
राइट, सॉरी।
लोकेंद्र अभी कितनी स्ट्रेंथ है क्लास की?
Excuse me. About which Google form are you talking?
46, 40.
40 है यार, एग्जैक्टली 40।
40 46
आधे बच्चे छोड़कर ही चले गए।
अरे गूगल फॉर्म कहाँ
अरे
मिलेगा?
यार सुनो, अभिजीत सुनो।
हाँ भाई बोलना।
डिस्क्रिप्शन में है।
हाँ कहाँ पर?
डिस्क्रिप्शन ग्रुप
में
सभी तेलुगु
ग्रुप
लोग
का
भी
नंबर
इसे
कैसे
भर
मिलेगा?
दें प्लीज। अरे मैसेज करो यार मुझे, ईमेल करो या कुछ भी करो, गूगल पे।
मेल भी कर दो ना,
अभी कर लो।
बस नहीं मिल पा रहा है उसके बाद।
कौन से ग्रुप के डिस्क्रिप्शन में?
P2020 के ग्रुप के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगा।
किसी की बात की है क्या?
साई डिड यू
हेलो, किसी सीनियर से कांटेक्ट हुआ क्या? किसी का?
हाँ सबका है।
मैसेज से डाल देना।
ऑलरेडी हमारे ग्रुप में है ना 2
हाँ
सीनियर्स
ऑलरेडी
है।
2 सीनियर ने बहुत है, मतलब
अरे वो परीक्षित नाम से कोई था, वो सीनियर ही है क्या?
हाँ सीनियर है वो।
और कौन है?
हेलो
और भी है।
हाँ, मेरा भी नंबर ऐड करवा दो यार।
यार कौन बोल रहा है? एक जना बोलो कोई।
अरे मैं बोल रहा हूँ यार, ध्रुव।
ध्रुव तुम्हारा साउंड बहुत ज्यादा लो है।
हाँ लो है।
हाँ
तो मैं बोल रहा था ना कि मेरा भी नंबर ऐड करवा दो।
हाँ तो तुम मुझे गूगल क्लासरूम पे क्या?
अभी दे भाई अपना नंबर।
गूगल क्लासरूम पर मतलब किस में, एफईएस पे भेज दूँ?
हाँ एफएस पे मुझे भेज दो। पार्टिसिपेंट पे मेरा नाम होगा, मैसेज वाला साइन होगा, उस पर टच करना, भेज देना।
जिसने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किया है वो सब मतलब बता दो अभी कि किस किस को नहीं मिला है। हु
अरिहंत जैन है
किसी
ना
को भी
आपका
नहीं
नाम?
मिला भाई।
यार नंबर मैसेज किसको करना है जरा बताना।
यस
हाँ वो नंबर किसको मैसेज करना है?
मुझे कर दो ना। यस यस
अच्छा
ओके
अमन भास्कर
जैन है ना
ठीक।
आपका नाम है?
यस यस आई एम चेकिंग। I got it.
Yeah.
So I have given you my number, WhatsApp number. Can you just drop a message? Sai? Are you there?
हाँ भाई कुछ बोला क्या?
साई को बोल रहा था मैं।
हाँ साई के बाद तूने कुछ बोला ना, मुझे लगा मेरा नाम।
नहीं नहीं मैंने उसे मैसेज किया था। साई మీరు అక్కడ ఉన్నారా? No response.
विवेक ब्रो, व्हाई आर यू मेकिंग अस लिसन सॉन्ग्स?
मैंने तुम्हें को नंबर भेज दिया है अपना।
मालूम है भाई।
लोकेंद्र तुम हो?
लोकेंद्र लेफ्ट आई थिंक।
नो नो
लोकेंद्र ही तो होस्ट है।
ये नहीं, लोकेंद्र यही है। लोकेंद्र इज हियर।
लोकेंद्र अगर तुम्हें ऑप्शन मिल रहा तो प्लीज ये जो भी है पार्टिसिपेंट्स ना दिख रहा है ना चैट
हाँ उसमें क्लिक कर दो।
मैसेज भी भेजा जा सकता है। ग्रेट।
वो ऑन करके छोड़ के चला गया क्या?
वी कांट चेंज होस्ट नो।
नो आई डोंट। उसके ऊपर है। कोई कुछ बोल रहा है?
कॉलेज पता है?
बोलो।
सर का मेल
Your voice is breaking.
My?
No, Abhinav.
Oh yes, Abhinav's voice is breaking.
सर ने मैसेज कर दिया है।
मंडे को आएगा सर का।
हेलो
हाँ हेलो
सर ने
Oman Bhaskar, I've sent you my mobile number. Can you please add me to your WhatsApp group?
You have sent me via mail or okay, let me
Classroom, through Google Classroom.
हाँ मैंने भी भेज
Yo,
दिया है।
विकास सिंह राठौर, विवेक कुमार महतो. Okay.
And please can someone explain me about that form you are talking about?
यार मेरा क्या मैसेज लिखना जरा।
ब्रो वो फॉर्म उसी में मिल जाएगा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में, उसको भरना है। वो सीनियर से कैजुअल मीटिंग के लिए अगर आप सहमत हो तो उसको भरने का है। मतलब उसमें थोड़ी सी इन्फॉर्मेशन है कि अपना नाम लिखना है बस और अपना रोल नंबर।
इंग्लिश में बोल दो, उसको समझ नहीं आएगा।
अमन भास्कर।
Yes, yes, I will send you a link. Okay.
हाँ ठीक है।
अच्छा अमन मेरा क्या नंबर मेरा क्या देखो।
ध्रुव ना, ध्रुव हाँ आ गया। फोन नंबर
हाँ ठीक है।
निशान का देखना।
ईशान चतुर्वेदी. यस।
Okay, so guys, it's our time. Sir's mail had come. Just I saw some moment ago. They said that they will take the class on Monday only.
Okay, तब तो अभी.
Okay, so that's great. Yes, that's great. About I think 40 students are there.
We know.
वो होस्ट कौन है इस समय?
But many of us left यार. Many of left.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, अभी दूसरी क्लास की टाइम हो रही है ना, तो we should leave ना.
अमन
हाँ
दूसरी क्लास है कहाँ? There is no second class after that.
अरे नहीं अभी
मिला है ना त्रिपली में.
instead of class we will be having class.
Sir will give
अभी है.
Sir will give a assignment. They said give an
Yes.
assignment and it will be the class task and no class today for triple E.
Yes. No.
Yes, exactly.
अमन.
Yes. अभिजीत.
हाँ मैं सौरभ है.
हाँ बोल सौरभ.
हाँ मैंने अपना नंबर ईमेल कर दिया तुझे.
सौरभ कुमार रुक जाओ. हाँ सौरभ कुमार ठीक है.
ठीक है ऐड कर देना.
और हाँ मैं जिसका भी याद कर रहा हूँ, कोई कॉलेज सोचना भी मत.
ठीक है
भाई एक बात बताओ, किसी ने यहाँ का कॉलेज वगैरह का पता है क्या? स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर?
हाँ सब होता है यहाँ पे, सब है.
कॉलेज का क्या कोड?
नहीं
क्या कोड नहीं, स्पोर्ट्स कल्चरल
स्पोर्ट्स. हाँ स्पोर्ट्स. ये तो अरे कोई पर अपने को वो सब तो अवेलेबल होंगी ना फैसिलिटीज, तो अपन उससे खुद ही कर लेंगे, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
मैक्सिमम लगभग सारे चीज अवेलेबल है.
क्लब्स वगैरह कोई
कैंपस ही बनने वाला है ना अब तो.
हाँ 20
मेरे ख्याल से अपन लोग ना 2 साल तो भी कैंपस का एंजॉय कर पाएंगे एटलीस्ट. मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है. अभी चली गई.
अब
सभी गया.
तो मैसेज भी आया.
अरे आज सत्यम भी नहीं है ना. सत्यम भी नहीं है एंड
कॉलेज छोड़ेगा. सत्यम शायद कॉलेज
विशाल भी
छोड़ेगा.
नहीं है. सत्यम कॉलेज क्यों छोड़ रहा है? तो वो आरजेपीटी में जा रहा है क्या?
हाँ.
ये अब क्या बोला जाए, ये भी ठीक है.
अभी जो अंडरटेकिंग ली गई है उसमें ऐसे कुछ स्पेसिफाइड नहीं है कि छोड़ नहीं सकते.
पता नहीं लेकिन बहुत
हाँ
सारे
इसमें
लोग
तो
छोड़
नहीं,
रहे हैं.
बट ये उसको पर फी वापस नहीं. और हाँ ये भी अंडरटेकिंग भर के ही तो हुआ होगा, तो फिर कैसे करेंगे?
लाइक वो कुछ तो भी बॉन्ड साइन कर लेते गवर्नमेंट का, पर आई गेस उस पे डीन की साइन लगती है.
हाँ बॉन्ड साइन तो, पर अभी बॉन्ड साइन नहीं करवाए थे वैसे, बट अंडरटेकिंग से काफी हो जाता है मुझे भी, तो ये तो थोड़ा सा इलीगल हो जाएगा, बट हो सकता है कि
मेरे
करवा
हिसाब
ले
से
फिर।
ही बेटर रहेगा मेरे हिसाब से तो।
क्या?
IIPT से,
आईआईपी
क्योंकि
बेटर रहेगा?
हाँ 4 साल में तो बिल्कुल मतलब कुछ सीन ही अलग हो जाएगा यहाँ का।
हाँ यार, मतलब वही
बहुत
बोले
अच्छा हो
कि
जाएगा।
मुझे वो तो नहीं बोले कि सिनारियो, सारा सिनारियो चेंज हो जाएगा, सो
अच्छा
बेटर हो
ये
सकता है।
सब लोग चेक करो चुका है।
स्टास आया क्या?
हाँ
हाँ हाँ
हम लोग को सफेद व्हाइट पेपर पे लिखना है और स्कैन करके जमा करना है। वेरी गुड।
लेट मी चेक।
कुछ ज्यादा ही नहीं है ये।
क्या चीज भाई?
खोल।
हाँ बस 2 मिनट। आ गया क्लास टास्क 1, अर्थ एनर्जी इन्वायरमेंट ओपन।
ठीक है तो अभी हम करते हैं, उसके बाद शाम होते होते मैं तुम सबको ऐड कर लूंगा ग्रुप, और तुम लोग फॉर्म भर देना, और वीकेंड है ना तो हम इंटरेक्शन सा रख सकते हैं। ठीक है।
हाँ वीकेंड में सैटरडे या संडे को कभी भी रख लो।
कल ही रख लो, मैं तो क्या
हाँ वो
सुबह के टाइम।
बात करके हो जाएगा। अभी पहले क्लास असाइनमेंट कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद डिस्कस कर लेंगे ग्रुप में। चलो
हाँ यार, क्लास असाइनमेंट कितने तक के देना था? 5:15 था ना
अभी
शायद, 5।
नहीं वो जिसका इशू है इंटरनेट इशू, वो कल 12 बजे तक
वो कर लेगा, नहीं तो उन सबको आज देना है।
हाँ ओके चलो ठीक है, बाय, मैं भी लीव कर रहा हूँ। बाय बाय। बाय एवरीवन।
बाय।